everyone. This is Mildred from Sweet Ship Plum Home. And this is Millie Mill and Monet. I'm at my relative's house still doing some decorating ideas for her. Guess what, y'all? We finally got out of the kitchen. So we're in the living room now, and we're going to try to do a little decor over here. I don't know if you would follow me, but there was a decor here on this wall. But my relative said that she did not want this decor here. She said she wanted something else there. So we says, okay, what do you want? And she says, well, I think there should be a mirror here. So we're moving this, and we're going to put this over here. Okay, so we get a chance, we're going to get this right over here. See how pretty that look over there for her? And then we're going to get another one of these canvases and put on that side. Oh, I tell y'all, anything can go wrong when you're filming, okay? But anyway, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put this mirror up here for her. This is the mirror she wants going out of her door, as y'all can see. Okay? So what do we need? We need some hooks. Exactly, you were right. All right, and it's a beautiful mirror, as y'all can see. So what we're going to do for that decorating idea for this wall here going out of her door, in her living room. This is Decor, decorating ideas in her living room. Okay, and believe me, the living room is usually the last decorating decor that you have to do, but I'm just trying to get her a little comfortable in her living room because remember now, she just moved into this place, my relative. If you follow me, you will know that she just moved in, and I think she's been here about, Nadia, how long have you been here? About a year now? A year, so we still have a lot of blank walls and stuff like that. So we're going to hurry up and do this for y'all. What you're going to need is a screwdriver. In case you have to screw in any screws. Right now I have picture hangers. That's what it's saying I require. Now remember what I told y'all before. If you don't want holes in your wall, go get these stick-ons. Now you got the clear stick-ons too that's very fancy. You can find them at Home Depot, Walmart. They're very fancy stick-ons, and it's supposed to hold about, this mirror is only like 2 pounds. Some of these some of these hooks can hold like up to about 10, 15 pounds. So, but what I'm going to do to make sure that the mirror is secure on her wall, I am going to use these hooks. I got a whole lot of hooks here, as y'all can see. And it's not going to make a big hole in our wall. So I got these ones right here. It's a picture hanger hooks. So let's try this. This one can hold up to 30 pounds. And remember now, the mirror is what? 2, 3 pounds. It's very light. It's not like, I don't know what kind of glass they're in. It might be plastic glass, but it's very beautiful. Okay. How do you measure this? Well, you can get a ruler. Don't forget you need a ruler too. You center it where you want to go at. You take the ruler, but you know I try not to use rulers all the time. And you take a pencil and you mark it right up here where you know it's going to hook on at right here. Okay, a ruler from here to here, a ruler from here to here. And then you put your marker right here. So I already did a pre-marking because I don't want to take too much of your time. Okay, so this is the hook we're going to use right now to hook this mirror on. So we're going to go up here. Guess what, y'all? We're going to need something to get up here. Just let her, show you that spot we got to get to. I'll be right there. I have to get up there because it's kind of high up. I didn't know it was that high up. Okay, so don't try this at home. Make sure y'all have good footage doing this. Make sure you get one of those ladders that are like I think about 3 steps ladder. And get up here. Now you have your spot. You already marked it with the pencil. Okay, so you go in. You can use a mallet. Take the mallet. Go down in there. And one thing about these hooks here, it won't make a real big hole. You see? It won't make a big hole. Okay, so we got that. Bend it out so that you know that this thing definitely going to hook in here. Right. Now, you go back down, do something with this mallet, move it out of our way, and take the mirror, go back up with the mirror, hold on to something, okay? Be careful, okay? Now we're going to see, you got to look from the back here and make sure he's going to hook right in there. And there he goes, he hooked in. You see? So how's that? Beautiful, right? To give you some security, what you can do, isn't that beautiful? I should have taken a before picture. I always do this, y'all. I forget to take a before picture. But you guys, if you watch the film, just go over the film over and over. But this is it now. So, what we can do also, I had a little thing here, if I can find it. I don't know what I did with it. But it's something where it's called, you put it right underneath here to hold on the mirror. It's, the kids probably moved it out of my way.
Something secure it.
Yeah, to secure it. Those bad kids. Let me tell you, I know I had it for you. Oh, here it goes. This one, if you got a drill, you see this? This is for the mirror. And you take it, you go, I think you got to go this way to hold it in. I'm not sure. And it holds in. Got to put it underneath here. You see? Now, you screw this in, and the mirror is definitely holding in there. You see? But I'll do that for y'all later because I don't know how much time I have to do this. You can screw it this way here, too. Well, see, this mirror here is too wide down here at the bottom. So you might need the other one. This is for a thinner mirror in here. But you guys get the point. So what you do, you can get some other brackets and stuff from one of the hardware stores and make sure you do a reinforcement. This is, I don't know if this is made out of glass, but it's saying it's not. But you see, but it looks like mirror. Okay, so we got all kind of trend now where that the trends are now, if the things are mirrors or whatever they're using to duplicate mirrors, real glass mirror. But I think these can break. I really do. But then now you see it's holding on. So now she has this decor here in her living room. And it's very beautiful. So when you're walking out of the house and you're going out the door, you see this beautiful mirror here, as you can see. And you can see yourself going out the door, and you can actually see what you came out of from the background. You say, oh, I came out of this house. Look, I'm looking in the back of it, you know. So Nene has this now, and we're going to say Nene to my relative. I'm doing the best I can, and I know she said that she did not really care too much for the other decor right here. I think I showed that to you. I don't know what I did with it because the kids are all out in the way. Okay, so this is the one that she had here before, remember?
Exciting.
If you watch the video, this was the first decor she put right here in her living room, besides the one over here. Okay, so now she got this. So the living room is coming alive. Slowly, but getting there, because she has a lot of bare wall. I want to show y'all, look, there's a whole bare wall over here. Okay, nothing there, so looks like you could be in prison somewhere or just staring into the wall. But it's good to get those decors up there. She didn't care too much for this here. So what I did, I said, okay, I'll put it over here. When I get a chance, I'm going to nail this up, y'all. Get some hooks and put it right over here. Okay, so the next time, y'all take a before picture with your eyes and your memories, because this is going to be up here. Now, this is before, and this will be now. Okay? So once I finish up the living room, I'll show y'all a full complete of the living room. And when we come back, Sweet Sugar Plum home, making your home comfortable, we will be back with, matter of fact, we probably won't be back in the living room for a while. We're going to go back, believe it or not, into the kitchen, because we didn't finish all our decorating ideas for the kitchen. We did do the backsplash, if you followed the videos, behind the stove, but we did not do the backsplash around the counter. So that's the next thing I will have to complete for y'all. And so the next video, y'all going to expect that. that you want to see the backsplash around the counter. And then once we do a little bit more in the kitchen, we get upstairs to the bedroom. We already did the bathroom, okay? Remember the last video if you watched was the DIY portrait, photo of the bathroom wall. You know, just putting some photos that you can take pictures of and adding to it that you don't have money to go to buy these things for $15 sometimes. Let me tell you what I did. I went to CVS and made duplicate, but let's stay to the living room. So this is the living room decorating idea right here. This is a mirror, and this is a wall mirror decor. Okay? Some of you that are very good in doing DIY, I want to bet you guys can go in your garage, cut this out, do this, and go buy these mirror reflection stuff and put it right up there. Look, I work. I have to go to work. And I told my relative, I said, excuse me, I'm going to be cheating. I can do some of these things, but I don't have a lot of woodwork shop. I don't have things to cut things and stuff like that.
So where did you purchase the mirror and how much?
Oh, I purchased this mirror here. Believe it or not, it's probably going to cost y'all about that much. But no, I got it from a wholesale place. I got it from a place called Ollie's. And I quote unquote, I don't want to say that because I'm not part of Ollie's. But they sell discount stuff at a reasonable price. So, excuse me, I'm getting over a bad cold. Excuse me. But I'm still working. But believe me, when I go to work, I wear my mask. Because you guys know I work in that health field. So I have my flu shot. So don't have to worry. And I suggest everybody go get their flu shot. Okay. You'll hear it from Billy Bill, M&M's from Sweet Sugar Plum Home. And this is a decorating idea in the living room. This is the living room decor. Wall decor of a mirror. Signing out. Peace.